Okay, we're here with Tiger's Tips. I get a lot of people call in. They said, when should I use 4 high? When should I use low? So pretty much 4 high is probably used 95% of the time for most people. Foul weather, rain, dirt road, muddy slope. Pretty much everything today we don't have. You have auto hubs, or it's a electronic hub actuator like on this Chevy, or it's a vacuum system like on the Transit. But pretty much you're in two-wheel drive. On a Chevy, 4 low is just straight back and you're in. If you watch the light here in the dash, high is synchronized. It should just go right in, right out for you. Now, if you're on the highway, you see a patch of snow or something, you can shift on the fly, but it may not just go in that easy. You may have to lean on it until it gets spinning up to speed, then it'll slowly drop in. So high range is mostly what you use. Now, low range is a little tougher to get in. Sometimes the gears are lined right up, it'll go right in. Low range is not synchronized. It is a gear to gear mesh. So if they're not lined up, they're not going to slide in. We just happen to have this sitting here and I can get it all the way into low. Now, as you see, I did it in one swift motion. You don't want to do it slow. People are afraid sometimes they're going to hurt something. If you do it slow, you may get into a situation that you're stuck in a neutral position. But you should have the transmission in neutral at a real slow speed, maybe 1 mile an hour. Sometimes you can do it sitting still. 4 low is the whole way up. Don't jam 4 low while you're flying along a high speed. It will grind. So, anyways, there's low. Here's two-wheel drive. It shifts that easy. Sometimes when they're new, they're a little tight. The more you use it, usually the easier it gets.